How to hide notes in Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this tutorial video, I will guide you through the process on how you can hide notes in Messenger. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Messenger application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now as you can see on the screen, there is the notes beside my profile. Now in order to hide notes in Messenger, there is a simple step you can try. Firstly, click on the three dash line at the top left corner and again click on gear shift icon. Once you appear on this page, click on the privacy and safety option from the preference. Again click on the first option that says hidden contacts. Click on the little icon at the top right corner. Now from here you can add the contacts whose notes you want to hide. Once you hide the person, you will no more see the notes of that person on your Messenger. So that's it. In this easy and simple way you can hide notes in Messenger. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.